Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. So come on, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I am done. We just did the basics today: living, dining, kitchen. But that still took me a little minute. But I'm so happy I did it. Now my house is refreshed and I've worked up an appetite. But that's another video coming. Let me show you what we got going on. So, sorry about the lighting. Let me get the lighting up. Let me see. Alright, so that's my living room. The living room was a mess. It had chalk all over the floor, a pile of clothes. That needs to be dusted again, but I'm not gonna do that today. I gotta dust again. We'll do that next time. This table, I need to do something with this table. Like, I really do. But not this table, my side table. I need to do something with that. But we'll get to that. And then my kitchen. Let me get my face out the way. Oh, Lord. And I got that spot off the wall that was right there. It was like right here. Finally got that spot off the wall. Don't mind screaming. The kids are being kids. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.